Anong pagkakaiba ng complain at complaint? Yan ang ipapaliwanag ko sa inyo sa video na ito. Makinig kayong maigi because there will be a quiz at the end of the lesson. My name is Myra Cagete. Sa araw na ito ay sasagutin natin ang tanong ni Jasmine Divina. Ang sabi niya, "Hi ma'am, ano po difference between complaint and complain?" Hi Jasmine! Siyempre, unang-una, magkaiba ng spelling ang mga yan. Baka mamaya may mag-comment na naman sa inyo ha na yun nga, ang pagkakaiba nila ay yung spelling. So, uunahan ko na kayo. Actually, magandang tanong to kasi marami akong naririnig or nakikita kahit sa mga social media posts na they switch these two words pagdating sa usage. So, let me answer this question. Let's start with complain. Yung complain na walang T sa dulo ay isang verb. Okay? Ito ay isang action. When you complain, it means that you express or you say that you are not satisfied with something or that something is not right. In Filipino, magreklamo. The verb complain is usually followed by the preposition about, to complain about something or to complain about someone. For example, Karen always complains about her internet connection. Laging nagrereklamo si Karen tungkol sa kanyang internet connection. Another example sentence, she complained about the rude employee. Nagreklamo siya tungkol sa bastos na empleyado. Okay, so yung past form at saka yung past participle form ng complain ay complained, hindi complaint. Siyempre, pwede rin nating sundan ng to yung complain. Complain to someone. If their service is bad, why didn't you complain to the manager? So kung pangit yung serbisyo nila, bakit hindi ka nagreklamo sa manager? At pwede rin nating sundan ng of yung complain. Complain of something. According to Macmillan Dictionary, complain of something means to say that you have a pain or you are ill. For example, she's been complaining of headaches. Itong complain of ay usually ginagamit natin kapag dinedescribe natin or sinasabi natin kung ano yung nararamdaman natin hindi maganda. Usually, ito ay may kinalaman sa karamdaman o yun nga, yung sakit. Ngayon, yung complaint na merong T sa dulo ay isang noun. Hindi ito isang action, okay? A complaint is a statement that you say when you are not satisfied with something or if you think that something is not right. In Filipino, reklamo. Ito yung mismong reklamo. May we know your complaint, ma'am? Maaari po ba naming malaman kung ano yung reklamo ninyo, ma'am? If you have any complaints about our product, please contact us. Kung meron kayong mga reklamo tungkol sa aming produkto, makipag-ugnayan po kayo sa amin. So yun lang, yung complain na walang T ay isang verb, ito ay isang action. Yung complaint naman ay isang noun, ito yung mismong reklamo mo. Now let's do the exercise.
Number 1. I have a blank about your new policy. Complain or complaint? Complaint. Number 2. Please don't blank here. Stop making a scene and file a formal blank to the police. Complain, complaint, complaint, complaint. Complain, complaint. Number 3. If you have an issue with what the manager is doing, lodge a blank against her with the HR department. Complain, complaint. Complaint.
Kung kayo ay interesado sa mga videos tungkol sa ano sa English nandyan yung link sa description section and sa comments. Thank you so much for watching.